right now, with the way that the inventory situation is across the United States, it's okay to go directly to these homeowners and start a conversation to go ahead and see if they had any intent. Now, if all of a sudden they go ahead and come back to us and say, you know what, I'm not interested. The kids are still in school. I couldn't even move if I wanted to. We always leave everybody in a kind way. Thank you very much. Thanks for getting back in touch with us. Have a blessed rest of your day. Here's a link to our website so you can put a face to a name, find out some more information about us. And now, since we know that they're a confirmed homeowner, that's valuable. We've already started the relationship. But we don't just stop there. So let's say in 30 days from now, we can come back to these folks and say, hey, we just saw our conversation that we had a month or so ago. Would love to get your email address. Mr. McDaniel sends out valuable information via email once a week, and we'd hate to see you not included in all of our information. And it just rolls and nurtures. So if these people are in a kind way communicating to us, and even if they're not ready right now, we're going to make sure that they see additional information at a minimum once a week via email. We're going to connect back to them via text. We're going to connect them into addressable geofencing to where Greg's consumable content that he's putting out now is sitting there everywhere they go. Ultimately, when that one moment comes, when they literally are going to do something in real estate, they think about Mr. Greg McDaniel before going to Google and typing in realtor and saying that person looks nice. So it's a start of a journey. It's so important, and we don't let anybody go.
So do you guys see how I love the way that you just started the conversation with implicit data, asking for explicit data, and based on that took next steps, right? I mean, that's how you do the dance. And I love that story right there.